What's up, everyone? This is Duran Yowitz over at Alpha 7 Trading Academy. Just wanted to go over something simple. I had a request on how to build hotkeys on ThinkorSwim. So I'm going to begin by showing you how to first find the hotkey configuration. Now, with ThinkorSwim, there isn't that much room to play with, and you can't really bend that much in terms of what you want your hotkey to be and how specific do you want the command to be. So they really only have you provide a couple of hotkeys that are pretty general and basic, but you know what, they help. So let's go through here. Now the first thing you want to do is on the home screen is click setup and then go to application settings, and here you'll have 4 tabs, and the 4th tab will be called hotkeys. So you go there, and now you can see that we have some general hotkeys, active trader hotkeys, watch list, chart, and that's about it. Okay. Now each of these different categories provide a different specific task, and so obviously for general it's just going to be able to allow you to switch from one tab to another and a couple other things, right, without having to use the mouse, and it can become pretty good and pretty quick. And that's usually basic. Okay, you have the previous tab, the next tab, sub tab, market watch, charts, tools. Then we get into specifics, right? So we have buy market, buy at S, buy at bid, sell at market, sell at S, sell at bid, right? Now, unfortunately, you can't really create new hotkeys. So whatever they provide you is what you could use. So if I wanted to do shift market here, I could just do shift B just like I did custom, and then I choose what I want to be in there. I could use what hotkey to include. So do you want shift, alt, or control? Now I don't like shift, and I'll tell you why. Sometimes you could be caught doing well, actually I like shift better than control, because control, you may want to do control and copy or control and V. So I would just stay away from that and stick to shift, unless that's another task that you use and you don't really want to be mixing them up. Sell market, okay, reverse, so alt and R. Alright, now alt is pretty good because you don't really use alt for much, so the combination won't be sent off by accident unless you have a fat finger error. Cancel, which is really good, so you could cancel all. So in a panic mode, you could just cancel all your orders. Okay, you could also do shift P, which is flat position. All right, so right away, if you want to, let's say you have a long and you have 3 orders left out of your 2 orders, and something happens. So instead of canceling the orders and then putting a reorder, you could just press shift P, and then automatically it'll cancel the orders and fill you for the best price. Okay, reverse now, reverse position, flat now. Okay, so you could flatten a position. You don't have to worry about taking in certain shares. Now what I don't like here though is they don't provide you the ability to do changing the shares with hotkeys, which I don't like really much. I would think that you could have up price, down price, or you know what, that's even being too spoiled. Just 100 shares up or 1,000 shares up with the left and right key, but it doesn't seem like it has it. And that's about it. So you could fool around with these. Just make sure, once again, that you don't create a hotkey that you may use for something else, because then you'll be putting yourself into some trouble. And you know, you could do with the charts, zoom out, zoom in without even using your mouse. So you could practically do everything. Okay, if you have some sort of system that let's say for instance you do 500 share lots, right, with everything. So then you could just click here. Okay, you can make it 500 shares. Okay, use auto send, and then put it back. Okay, and you can minimize this because you don't really need it. Now, if I wanted to put an order out, I could just do Shift P, right, or Shift S. Right, if I want to cancel it, I'll just do Shift P, and then click Enter. See, I'm not even using the mouse. I want to sell, I'll use Shift S. Okay, or Shift S, and I could put a sell. All right, and then if I want to cancel it, I could just do Shift P. All right, now obviously I can't change the shares, but let's say you only have to, you want to do it quickly, you could just jump up here, change this, you could just click here, or you could just, you know, do whatever you want from there. You could just fool around. So remember, you just go to Setup, Application Settings, Hotkeys, and from here you'll be able to figure out what you could use, what you can't use, and be able to develop some sort of method that will help you increase your speed to get in and out and make your decisions quicker with less delay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm open to suggestions, so if you guys want anything that is basic or generic to be taught, let me know. I have no problem doing it. Thank you again, and have a great evening, everyone. Bye.